Hello guys, welcome back on the thefrogtech. Hopefully you're fine. Today we're going to do a test with the new GoPro Hero7 Black against my new camera, the Sony A7III, with the DJI Ronin-S. Let's have a look, let's see how smooth it is. Let's talk quickly about the GoPro. It's the one, okay? I'm just gonna use it handle pretty much with a grip and the GoPro, and that's it. And I'm gonna go up the stairs. I'm going to do exactly the same stuff with the Ronin-S and the camera. Let's have a look and let's compare. Stabilization on, let's go. So now I'm going to do the test with the Ronin-S. This video was just a quick test to see the comparison between the camera on the Ronin-S and the Hero Black with stabilization on.